Hello guys, hi, how are you? Hope you're doing good. Hope this is, as you know guys, we're covering up the Tableau series. Welcome to Data Science for Everyone YouTube channel. This is Ed Makram. Today we are going to learn how to join the data in Tableau. Let's see what we are going to learn. Like, what's the data we have is about Amazing Mart is the like store or superstore or mart in the location and the city in the, it's in the like different location country, Italy, United Kingdom, France. So it's like online portal or any logical e-commerce website. So .com, if you say amazingmart.com, eumart.com. So over here we have like a list of orders. Like these are the list of orders: order ID, order date, customer name, city. We could see that it's of different cities with different countries, region and segment, shipment date and ship mode, that economy plus priority and so on, and then state. And along with that we have order breakdown table, that is of a new sheet, and this is for like breakdown for like order ID and customer name, product name, so on. That's product and discount, sales, profit and quantity that customer buy, sales target. This is the next workbook what we have, the sheet and the same worksheet. So this is how the data looks like. So what we are learning today is regarding how we are joining the data in Tableau, so that we can visualize in deeper the things what we have according to the data set. Over here we have example like order ID. This is a different kind of order ID, and we are just having order date and customer name, city, and this all details here. But in depth detail, the second worksheet or table, this is like example, take this is one table completely, and this is one sheet, and this another thing, this is second table, and this is third table, sales target. So the second table has the breakdown for it, that is like for order ID it shows product name, what is bought by the customer, and discount for it, and sale for it, sales what's the sales price, profit for it, quantity sold out, categories, office supply of furniture, subcategory. So just blending or joining one table, like just working with one table, we don't get any data guys, because we need to work in Tableau with n number of like tables and then worksheets, so on, to blend and join and get complete data in Tableau and visualize it properly. So we are using we are joining the tables so that we could get the proper data. So let's see how we work out over here. So we will join this two tables, list of orders and order breakdown. Let's see how we can do that. Let's come towards the Tableau application. This is list of orders what we have. I'll just double click it because it will go into the physical mode, and I will drop down this order ID, like order breakdown over here, and see guys, we have done the join. And if we click over here, it shows inner join of list. This is inner join. Looks how it work over here. If I click over here, it has join. Let's see, let's double click type of join what we have. Inner join we have, it have leftmost join, we have rightmost join, it's a fuller outer join. And over here we could see it has been attached. This is inner join, and it has been attached from the like order ID to order ID of second table. So it's look out of the most common column, and then it will attach the complete data. So if we see completely how it's work, let's close down. If I do Control C, this is list of order. Let's see what's list of order contain. See, this is list of order, order ID, order date, customer name, city, till it has that like state and shape of mode. If I do attach the order breakdown over here, which is innermost join, now you could see the changes in the data. And till state we got the details, like till state we have list of order, but again we could able to see some extra rows on the outside, like our right side, and this is all over till here. We attach order breakdown table, so combine the two tables, and this is what will be done by inner join. It is attached by like foreign key, what we say example. It will be attached with two different equal columns with name or like unique name, that is a column, that is order ID, and order ID has been attached in this two table, and it has been combined to one single data by attaching two different table. So that's how it works, and that's how we will be working in Tableau by attaching like joining different data or working with data in Tableau for a different workbook, or different joining different tables and so on, so that we can visualize the in-depth data basically. So let's see, go to the sheet 1, the data what we have. See over here, we have tables, we have auto breakdown and then order breakdown. See, this is what it has been breakdown into. List of order is completely different what we have over here, and order breakdown is different, and again for that measures and so on, dimension and measures, this is measures and this is dimensions. So this is again category into order breakdown. So this is how data is attached. Two tables have been attached, and separate data tables have been shown over here in terms of dimensions and measures. So hope you got this session guys, and completely, and the next section we will soon covering on the different topics regarding like creating your own dashboard, different maps, so on, and I will be covering the detailed topic on that, and we will be covering in-depth detail on what is inner join, like in-depth and more, like left outer join, like left mouse join, right mouse join, and fuller, completely fuller join. So hope you like the video, share the video, hope you got it, the content, and if you have any doubt you can comment me in the comment section regarding this. Thank you, have a great day, and this is all for what I have in right now for you for like working with data in Tableau. This is how we work. We join different datas, we join different tables, we join different workbooks, so that we can blend the data, join the data, gives a relationship to the data, so that we can get complete data and fetch the data into one particular dashboard and storylines, so that we will get complete picture of the data and visualize it properly. Thank you, hope you got it. Thank you, bye, take care guys, bye.